Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see Vanjaram fish fry, king fish fry. For Vanjaram fry, we need Vanjaram fish 500 grams. I have used water and salt for cleaning it and sterilizing it. And red chilli powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder, salt, channa dal powder and coriander powder, along with jeera powder, which is a tips we'll be doing. In a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder and 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. For half kg, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder is enough, and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. These two powders, turmeric and pepper powder, will remove that smell, and 3 to 4 teaspoons of coriander powder. If you want red color, you can add Kashmiri chilli powder 1 teaspoon and salt 2 to 3 teaspoons. And now I am adding water 1/4 cup to make the marination paste for the fish. Don't add extra water, let that be a thick paste so that you can dip all the fishes into the paste and marinate it and leave it for minimum an hour or even 4 hours or overnight you can keep. Minimum an hour is good in the refrigerator. Coat all the pieces on all the sides. If there is extra masala, you can still give it extra double coating. Now on a hot iron tawa, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. I am not deep frying it. It is shallow fry. Minimum oil is needed for this. The tips which I am using is you place the curry leaves so that the masala would not stick to the tawa. And for red color, at this stage after marination and keeping it in the fridge, you can add the red chilli, that is Kashmiri chilli powder. The next tip which I use is the powdered channa dal coating. This will give a crispy finish to the fish, and the texture will be very good, and the masala will not go to the tawa. So 3 things: curry leaves. For color, you will be adding red chilli powder, and the third one important thing is channa powdered dal. And last 4th tip I will be telling at the end. Close it and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. If the piece is thick, the pieces which I have got is a bit thicker. For thinner slices, you can just keep 2 minutes. See the texture? No, it's not sticking to the tawa as well. So that is the thing. The color is good, texture is good, aroma is good. I have not added oil as well. So it's even with this, I will be frying 1 or 2 pieces with the same oil. Now this is the last tip. Sprinkle little jeera powder after it is fully cooked and see the aroma of the fish. It will be awesome. That's it. Vanjaram fry is ready. Kingfish or sea fish fry is ready. Enjoy it with your family.
If you like the video, smash the like button, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. See you soon.